Good afternoon, students. Today we will discuss hybridization for some molecules. So particularly let us take shape of beryllium chloride molecule. So we can determine shape of molecules by two ways. So first one is based on Weisper theory, valence shell electron pair repulsions theory. So according to valence shell electron pair repulsions, what is the shape of molecule here? So first of all write down. So beryllium chloride structure. How many bond pairs are there? 1, 2. So bond pairs. How many bond pairs? 2 bond pairs. How many lone pairs for central atom? Central atom. How many lone pairs? 0 lone pair. So now shape or geometry. So 2 bond pairs are there. What is the geometry? Is a linear. So what is the bond angle here? 180 degrees. Now bond angle. You write down complete full form bond angle. Okay. So 180 degrees. Next one, we can determine shape of the molecule based on hybridization is very important. Okay, so now what is that here? Before this we write electronic configuration. So beryllium, what is the atomic number? Is a 4 atomic number. Electron configuration is a 1s2 2s2. It is ground state electronic configurations. But whenever excited state electronic configuration, so okay, what happened here? 1s2 2s1 2p1. So according to orbital here is a 2s orbital containing the 1 electron, as well as the 2p orbitals, 3 orbitals there, but in one orbital containing the 1 electron. Okay, so what happened here? So 1 s orbital and 1 p orbital undergoes hybridization. Which hybridization? Is a sp hybridization. So now it can form 2 equivalent energy as well as the equal shape of 2 sp hybridized orbitals. It is a 1 sp hybridized orbital, here 1 sp hybridized orbitals, and this sp hybridized orbital containing 1 electron. Okay, so this sp hybridized orbital containing 1 electron, because here so 1 electron, so 2 electrons. That's why after the hybridization, sp hybrid orbital containing 1 electron and another sp hybridized orbital containing 1 electron. Okay, so one point is, remember that what happened here. So hybrid orbital always can form sigma bond, is very important. Which bond here? Sigma bonds. Hybridized or hybrid orbitals can form sigma bonds. Okay, so here another 1 electron, it is belongs to the p orbitals. Okay, so and this p orbital is belongs to the chlorine, and here is also p orbital of another chlorine atom. Okay, this is according to orbital. So what happened here? Very important. Hybridized orbital can form sigma bonds, and if any unhybridized orbitals is there, it can form pi bond. Okay, so in later we will discuss unhybridized orbitals also, but here hybridized orbital can form sigma bonds. Okay, so 1 s orbital and 1 p orbital, it is s orbital, 1 p orbital intermix can form 2 equivalent. What happened here? 1 sp hybridized orbital plus 1 sp hybridized orbitals can form. If 2 sp hybridized orbitals are formed, it can arrange like this. Okay, so it is a 1 sp hybridized orbital and another 1 sp hybridized orbitals. What happened here? One sp hybridized orbital, it is one sp hybridized orbital. Both hybridized orbital having same energy and identical shapes. Here identical shapes both are here. Okay, and further again it is overlap with two p orbitals of which atom here? Chlorine atom. Okay, so like this here, for example here beryllium is a central atom, it is a 1 sp hybridized orbitals. Okay, so 2 sp hybridized orbital, that's why it's a beryllium is a 1 sp hybridized orbital, it is a 1 sp hybridized orbital having one electron, okay, and these sp hybridized orbitals overlap with chlorine atom of, is a chlorine atom, have any electrons are there? One electron. Okay, so here is also how many electrons? One electron. Okay, it is a chlorine atom. So overlap, what is that here? Sigma bond, it is a sigma bond. Which orbitals are overlapping here? sp hybridized orbital is overlap with p orbital of chlorine, is a p orbital, it is a p orbital. Okay, what is the sigma bond name? sp hybridized orbitals is overlap with chlorine atom of p orbitals. Okay, so now here what happened here is a sigma bond, is a chlorine, is a chlorine. So how much is the bond angle here? 180 degrees. Okay.